Jamaica because we believe in Andrew Holness as leader of the Jamaica Labour Party. We choose Jamaica because Andrew Holness has been one of the finest, greatest modern-day leader that the Caribbean have seen. And it is our responsibility to ensure that his legacy continues. Let's welcome Loaded for a third term.
Jah give me everything, so me nah lose my sanity for vanity, no frightened for anything.
So whatever.
So them can't use long to catch me whenever you hear me sing. Up from me yard to the top of the chart, and that's why we hail the king. Cause Jah give me everything.
No for them do anything for money, anything for hide, anything for.
Hold it, selector. Hold it, hold it, hold it. I want you to understand that when I touch the stage, I get an immediate burst of energy from the people. You know why that is? Because you make me stronger.
You make me stronger. Oh, you make me stronger.
And that strength that you give me, that is what carries me through the difficult times, please, the hard times, the trying times, because this job is not an easy job. This job, it might look like a glamorous job, but this job is about being strong and active for you. And I tell you this, the people of Portmore, that I continue to be your strong and active leader. And you can see the strength of the Jamaica Labour Party. And you can see that for the first time in the history of Jamaica, the first time, you have a government going to face the people, and we can campaign on our achievements.